Hi friends, this is the Aoji USB C cables, and you can see it comes in a nice box and it says like USB C to USB C cable and 60 watt. So this box contains 3 cables of different sizes. You can see it here, like one is small and the other two are long ones. Let me show you because it's the same quality. I will just show you the one here. It's a velcro that you can attach and is easy to carry and travel, and you can see it's like the braided cord length. The 2-port itself is very nice built, and you can see it's very clearly cut. There is no issue in looks like in the quality and the structure of the USB ports. The braided cord, it's good that it will not cut instantly or something like that, and it is very nicely built. You can easily, it's flexible cord. There is no issue that there can be a cut on stuff on it. This is my laptop which have a USB C port, and then I'm attaching this cable to show you that how it is fitting in. So in fitting there is no issue, it's slide in and then it's really helpful and nice from the both side, because this is USB C, it can be used at both sides in the port. It's a nice product, and then it's very nicely built. So